I'm Louise Ysabelle B. Salvador of Grade 5B. Today, I will present to you my science investigatory project. The title of my science investigatory project is The Effect of Caffeine on the Growth of Mungo Plants. This study covers the effect of caffeine on the growth of mungo plants. It aims to determine that adding caffeine to the soil will help the mungo plant to grow faster and healthier. This science investigatory project will benefit farmers and gardeners in growing healthy mungo plants and the production of mungo for consumption purposes. Statement of the problem. This project will conduct an experiment which will answer the question, what is the effect of caffeine on the growth of mungo plants? Hypothesis. The researchers in this experiment proposed the assumption that if we add coffee grounds to the soil, then it will help the mungo plants grow faster and healthier. Methodology. Materials. 2 pieces plastic cups, 1 small pail of soil, 200 grams of coffee grounds, 6 pieces of mungo seedlings, 1 water spray bottle, and ruler. Variables. Controlled variables. The controlled variables are the type of seeds, mungo seedlings, cups of soil, water, and sunlight. Independent variables. The amount of coffee grounds or powder. Responding variables. The growth rate of mungo plants' height. Procedures. Number 1. Prepare the materials needed. Number 2. Labeling the cups with cup A, soil only, and cup B, soil with coffee. Number 3. Make a hole in the bottom of the cups. Number 4. Put the soil in the cups. The one cup is soil only and the other is mixture of soil and coffee. Number 5. Plant an equal number of the mungo seedlings. Number 6. Put the cups with mungo seedlings in a place where it is not direct to sunlight. Number 7. Water the plants every day and observe. Number 8. Take a picture of each plant and measure their height every week. Write your observation in your SIP journal. Presentation, analysis, and interpretation of data. In day 1, the mungo seeds are starting to sprout. Day 2, leaves are now starting to develop. From day 3 onwards, the mungo plants are growing taller and taller every day. Based on the results, during the first week, the mungo plant planted in plain soil measured 6 inches in height, while the mungo plant planted in soil with coffee only measured 3 inches in height. On the second week, the mungo plant in the plain soil measured 7 inches in height, while the mungo plant in the soil with coffee only measured 5 inches in height. Conclusion. The data gathered showed that the mungo seedling planted in the plain soil grew faster compared to the seedling planted in soil with coffee. It is also showed that the seedling planted in plain soil is taller in height than the seedling planted in soil with coffee. Based on the data gathered, the researcher therefore concludes that adding coffee in the soil will not help the mungo plant to grow faster and healthier. Recommendation. The researcher recommends the use of plain or natural soil is better in growing mungo plant than using soil mixed with coffee. Further studies must be done with the use of coffee in growing mungo plants. The proper proportion of soil and coffee must also be considered to further test the effect of coffee in the growth of mungo plants. Contribution to environment. If studies will prove that using coffee to grow mungo plant will contribute positively to its growth, this will be a big help to our farmers and to our environment as well. Usage of commercial fertilizers will then be reduced, that will save money for the farmers and reduce soil pollution and will be very helpful to our environment. Learnings from the activity. The main learning that the researcher was able to realize from this activity is to have a lot of patience. Doing the activity requires a lot of patience from the time she needed to water the mungo plants in order for them to grow. The daily need to observe and take down the changes in the plants, the measuring of the heights of the plants until summarization and interpretation of the data to come up with the conclusion and recommendations. As in our life, patience is very important. We should always have the patience to study and learn new things so that we can continue to adapt with this ever-changing world.